So it's really thin, very nice to hold, and the colors are very nice.
So this is the newest smartphone from Samsung. It is just launched yesterday. This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy A72, the mid-range smartphone by Samsung. Hi, I'm Wilson from Places and Foods. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this Samsung Galaxy A72. So this is the awesome violet color, one of the 4 colors available for the Samsung A72 series. I know you're very excited to see what's inside, so let's open the box, guys. Okay, we have this, and this is it. I'm going to talk about the specs later. So let's open. So let's show you the camera. This is the awesome violet color. I think it's quite nice. And in case you're wondering, yes, the Samsung Galaxy A72 comes with charger, fast charger, and then this is the Type-C cable. So there's a box hidden here. I'll show you. Okay, the pin, the instruction manual. I'm going to unwrap this one. Okay, so how to open this is here. So tear this open.
So it's really thin, very nice to hold, and the colors are very nice. It is quad cameras. The design is similar to Samsung Galaxy S21. So this is the awesome violet color. Personally, I prefer this color. So here are the specs for the Samsung Galaxy A72. It's 6.7 inch Full HD with Super AMOLED Infinity Zero display. It is only 203 grams. Front camera is 32 MP. And the back camera is 64 MP, ultra wide 12 MP, macro 5 MP, and digital zoom up to 30 times. It comes with octa-core, 8GB of RAM, 256 ROM. There's 2 slots for SIM card, micro SD up to 1 TB. It also comes with the audio phone jack, and also with the Samsung's fast charger and USB-C cable. So if you ask me if this is really a good buy for a medium range smartphone, I think this is the best one for you to get. And it's light, it's nice to hold, you can't get the fingerprints here, and the screen looks awesome. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A72. The price is not out yet, so we'll just update the description once the price is out in Malaysia.
Basically, I will do more videos on the Samsung Galaxy A72 in my upcoming few videos. I'll be testing the camera and the videos like how I did for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please do comment and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching everyone, and see ya.